What is up and welcome to The Real Ray. Today I'm going to show you how to apply nail polish stickers, specifically using the Lily and Fox brand. And these nails, I forgot to do an intro before, so I did these actually like on Sunday. Today's Thursday, so they're not as fresh, but they're still holding on. I show you each nail on one hand in detail because using those stickers can be a little challenging on shorter nails. And my nails are like super short. I have like a chronic picking problem on occasion. So I'd picked at them so they really didn't have an edge. And I thought there might be some more people out there like me that like to use a nail polish stickers like the Lily and Fox ones or the Color Street, whatever. And it's harder. It takes a little bit more work, but they look great and I love them. So without further ado, here is that. If you enjoy this video, please make sure and help me out by liking and subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, please check out some more of my content. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoy. It's The Real Ray. I have a full video of a full manicure leading up to this. So if you're interested in that, scoot on over and check it out after you watch this. To prep the nail, I lightly buff and then spray with alcohol. Then you'll select the nail sticker that you want for your nail. Trim it to the correct size, and I always try to trim it kind of like rounded so that I can use it for a different finger. Then you'll remove both the clear topping part of it and the white backing. I don't know why I started with the back part on this nail. Typically it's much easier, as you'll see on my other fingers, when I do the clear top first and then remove the white underlaying part. So when I'm squishing it on, you'll notice that I kind of like stretch it a little bit over the nail, and then you'll want to get like your wood stick and really like get all the air bubbles out and get it as tight and like close around the nail as possible. And you'll see as I do each of these that I kind of go back and do it a few times, and that's really key to making these last for a while. Don't feel weird if it takes you a few times to like file it and kind of like go under that edge if you've got shorter nails. This also will work just fine if you've got longer nails and probably be a little bit less fussy. But I really just wanted to show how I do it with the shorter nails, and that it can be done and that you can make it last if you do it like this. So really just make sure and get all those air bubbles out and get as tight on your nail as possible. Make sure when you're filing you're only going downward, because going in other directions can like tear it more. And then if you need to use your little nail scissors to trim it down, so don't feel weird about that either. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let you watch the rest of the video without having to listen to me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please help me grow my channel by doing that.